Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's class I'm going to be putting you guys through how I achieved this refreshing carrot and apple juice. This is best to drink on an empty stomach in the morning before your breakfast. Trust me guys, this is very refreshing and rich in vitamin A, C, D, E and K. It is also an excellent source of mineral, potassium, magnesium and calcium. It gives your body a healthy glow skin. Trust me guys, this is very refreshing. If this is what you would like to learn, kindly watch till the end. So for this recipe I'm going to be using carrots. I've already washed it. You can see how neat this is looking. And I'm going to be using apple and sugar. This actually serves as an additional sweetener to my juice, which is quite optional depending on how you like it. You can actually add honey, but I'm going to be using sugar as my own sweetener. So I will be using this food processor to blend all my ingredients together. You can actually use juicer if you have it at home, but I'm showing you guys this in case of anybody that wants to make juice like this and doesn't have a juicer at all. So I'll be using chopping board to cut my apple and carrot. So I'll start by cutting my carrot into smaller pieces just to make the blending easy for my food processor. You can see how I'm cutting this into smaller pieces. So I'm done cutting my carrots. So I'll go ahead by cutting my apple as well, just to be easy for my food processor while blending. So you start by cutting this into 4 equal parts, as you can see. So I'm going to remove all the seed before blending. So I've already washed my food processor, so I will start by adding in my apple and carrots. Be careful not to add so much so as to make it more easier while blending. So I'm going to be adding in my cold water. I'm going to add just little. I'll go ahead by covering this and blend and show you guys. As you can see, so I'm going to add in my sugar and blend it again before sieving out our juice. So you can see how lovely this is looking. I've already blended everything together. You can see how smooth this is looking. So we are going to strain this through a fine mesh sieve. It's quite optional, but I love to sieve out my own juice. You can also use a nut milk bag or a cheesecloth to sieve out your juice. Push it down with the back of a spoon to get out as much as juice as possible. So guys, this is the outcome of our blended apple and carrots. You can see how refreshing this is looking. You can actually save your pulp. It can be frozen and it can be used in carrot cake, muffins, veggies burger, soup and so on. So that's why I decided to show it to you guys. Make sure you refrigerate your juice before serving, or you can decide to add in your ice cube instead of refrigerating this. This is so refreshing. I've added sugar to my own. You can decide to add in honey, maple syrup. It just serves as sort of sweetener to it, so it depends on how you want it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial with me, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment and share with your family and friends. and I'm going to see you in the next class. Bye, and thanks for watching.